given everyone and make everyone different. Their
mm.
way of thinking, their capacity to capture anything, IQ level, everything is different. So we should never compare. Along with that, we should never underestimate to anyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We are meeting after a long time. So, how's
Yeah,
your channel going?
yeah, my channel is going good and I am also practicing well. How about you and how is your channel going?
My channel is also going good, and I'm doing everyday practice with my co-learners. Yes, I'm
Yeah,
fully
that's,
satisfied.
mhm.
Yes. So, for my viewers, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, as you know, my name is Saraswati and I reside in Mumbai. And nowadays I am uploading YouTube channel, means conversational videos on my channel. Yeah, that is a little bit about me.
You are doing conversation with Nan Gopalan sir. I always
Yes.
yes. So, in the today's session, I will narrate a story,
Mm-hmm.
and we will discuss about the morals of the story. Moral of the story. Okay.
Hmm. Yes, you
So,
know
the
it.
story name is Slow and Steady Wins the Race.
Yeah.
So there are two characters. One is a rabbit, and you can say hare also, and second is tortoise. One day, all the animals were doing a gathering, and they are doing a party. In that party, the hare was boasting. Anybody here who can beat me in the race? All were silent. All the animals were silent because all know the hare is very good in racing. But one of animal like tortoise, he was saying, "Okay, I know you are very confident and you can win the race, but I can race with you if you agree." Then
Yeah.
the rabbit smiled. "Okay, I can do race with you," because he was overconfident. I am a very good in racing. How can a tortoise beat me? So next day the race was organized and they started racing, and
Hmm.
he was racing just like a wind rabbit, but the tortoise was just step by step he was moving. So after some time he watching here and there, where is the tortoise? Then he
Yeah.
think, okay, he is he I think he is walking step by step. How can he beat me? So I should take a nap. Then he was taking a nap under the tree,
Yeah.
and he sleep 4 hours. In meantime, the tortoise reached that place and he saw the rabbit was sleeping. But
Hmm.
he continued his racing, and then he crossed the victory line and he
Hmm.
won the race. And after some time, when the rabbit wake up, then he saw, okay, I think I have late, so I should start again. Then he raced again and he saw the tortoise already wins the race. So, what do you think about this story? Do you think overconfidence is a good thing?
Overconfidence. Confidence is good thing, but overconfidence is not good thing. We should
Hmm.
not never means overestimate to anyone because if we have confidence, so we can do anything. But
Hmm.
if you feel overconfidence, there you do mistake.
Hmm.
There we do mistake mostly. If we feeling like now we are means we can chase anyone.
Hmm.
This time we feel like very comfortable. No, I can do that. No one can go ahead. That
Hmm.
time means that is the thing where we do mistake.
Hmm.
And like this is a very means old story or means we used to listen from since our childhood days,
Hmm. Hmm.
and we also teach our means say to our children about this story. But this story gives a very moral story, means moral lesson we can learn from this story. Like slow and steady wins the race. If you
Hmm.
are slow, means if you are slow in your learning, as
Hmm.
here we are practicing for English language.
Hmm.
So I just take the this example only. If we practice like that twice,
Hmm.
means our practice is slow. slow and steady. So if we continue, if we means be consistent in our journey,
Hmm.
so we will definitely achieve our goal sooner
Hmm.
or later. But
Yes.
if we
You know,
try to
there
become
some
a
person.
rabbit, rabbit, let
Uh-huh.
me complete. If we try to become a rabbit, like if you practice one day and take a gap for coming 5 days, and again we will do practice for one whole day, again 15 days gap.
Hmm.
So we will definitely lose our race like rabbit.
Hmm. Yes.
Yeah,
You know, there are some person, like I can say, some person are thinking, okay, why I'm not improving English in English, sir? And they are doing, sometimes they are doing 15 hours. They are giving whole day for practice, and 2 3 days they are just, they are doing nothing for this language,
yeah,
and they are again and again complaining why I'm not improving.
yeah,
So I think we should consistent, because God can give you natural talent, but you can enhance your knowledge by your practice.
yeah.
Yes.
As you know, practice makes man perfect. And I can say that practice makes a man and woman perfect too. If you practice on daily basis, so no one can stop you to achieve your goal.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yes. In this story, the rabbit was very, you can say, overconfident and arrogant in some
yeah.
places. He was showing his overconfidence also. How can this
Overconfidence.
tortoise beat me? He underestimate his power.
Yeah,
Sometimes it happens.
yeah. We
So
should
what do you
never
can we
think
do?
anyone like,
Mhm.
as we learn like from story, the rabbit and tortoise. We should never think anyone
Mm.
means lower
Inferior.
than us, inferior or lower than us.
Mm.
Because God has given everyone and make everyone different.
Mm.
Their way of thinking, their capacity to capture anything, IQ level, everything is different. So we should never compare. Along with that, we should never underestimate to anyone.
Hmm. Sometimes people are judging without knowing his circumstances.
Yeah.
So they should first understand their circumstances. After that, they should give their verdict.
Mm. Yes.
Yes. So what do you think about story narration? Do you think it's a good habit?
Story narration, narrating story is really a good activity to learn and to speak English language. If you have partner or if you have no partner, by narrating story you can learn English language easily. This
Hmm.
is the best method. By using this method, anyone can speak English easily. But as the English speaking or any language speaking or learning is a process, you are not going to be a master
Mm-hmm.
only 3 months or 6 months. Whether you are taking classes from anyone, any tutor like me or not, your practice, your hard work, your determination is very important.
Hmm.
If you
Hmm.
are ready to do all these things, so no one can stop you.
Yes. But you
Yeah,
should cultivate this habit. You should
yeah,
cultivate this habit that every day I will do this practice.
yeah.
Sometimes we are skipping.
Yes.
Yes.
Do you
So
do
what
practice every
about
day?
shadow practice, huh?
Huh? Sorry.
You were saying something.
Do you do practice every day?
Yes, I'm doing every day.
Yeah, that's good because it is very good thing, and this is the only key to achieve our next level. As we are very comfortable to speak in English, no doubt, but
Mm-hmm.
our motto is to achieve one upper level,
Yes.
and it is not come so easy.
Mm.
It
It will
not
take
come
time.
so easy. It will take time, and not if you are means practice every day 2 hours 3 hours with dedication with resilience with perseverance, so it will take time like 1 years or 2 years that
Hmm.
going up to the next level.
Depends, I think, person to person and their
Person,
dedication.
yeah,
Yes,
person to
because
person
you
and
there is a
dedication.
person who can become fluent in 1 year, and sometimes it's taking 2 year, 3 year. So I can say it depend fully depend on person to person and their dedication.
And one more thing, according to me or from my perspective, I never go or run behind the fluency.
Hmm.
It will come naturally, and I wait for that. I'm not in hurry, I my train is going fast, I have to run. No, I do not, I don't want to means do these types of things.
Hmm.
I go, like first, as you watch my videos, so Nan Gopal Gopalan sir always used to say that walk before means crawl before walk, and walk before run. So it's
Hmm.
really true.
Yes, his teachings is very unique
Yes.
from other
Yes.
tutors.
Yeah.
Yes.
His way of teaching and the word he used and make the learner comfortable at the time of speaking.
Hmm. Hmm.
Uh,
Yes. So, in your opinion, what is important? Listening, speaking, reading. Sorry, listening and speaking, reading and writing.
Listen, all things are important, but first the things that is important in is listening.
Hmm. Hmm.
Listening, after that speaking, then come
Hmm.
reading and writing.
Hmm.
Because
Yes.
the more you consume, the more you
Hmm.
means speak out from your mouth.
Yes. If you have 4 or 5 hours, then you should do all these four steps. But if you are very busy person, then you should do listening and speaking.
Yeah.
And if somebody is saying that grammar is not important, in some cases it is not important. But if you are preparing for any, government exam, any competitive
Examination.
exam,
Yeah.
that time it is
If
mandatory.
if you
But
are college
like,
student or student, school student, are means practicing for some examination, so that time all the grammar rules are very
mm,
important. Even for spoken also, grammar is important. But no need to focus on grammar on the basic level, on the beginner level. Because
mm,
if you think like if I learn all the grammar rules, then I will start speaking. So there you will stop. Just start to speak simultaneously, day by day. Go through the some grammar for these portions that are very important for spoken English. No need to
mm,
learn all the grammar rules.
but sometimes learners are very puzzled where we should start. Like we should start with grammar, we should start with speaking. So my suggestion is if you are preparing any exam, then you should more focus on your grammar and then you should speak. And if you are just doing just speaking practice, so you should have some basic knowledge of grammar like tenses, some models and verbs. It is enough for you.
Yeah, some tenses, no need to go through all the tenses.
Hmm.
No need
Yes.
to go all the tenses. Yeah, because at the time of speaking, we never use all the tenses.
Hmm. But some learners take this very seriously. First we should do grammar, all the rules we should learn, after that we should practice. But my suggestion is first you should do with practice. Never think you are speaking, sometimes you are speaking incorrect word also, so you should never bother.
Yeah.
Any other suggestion do you have?
I have lots of suggestions. Just ask me what suggestion you want.
But I think for
So,
this session it is sufficient.
yeah, this is sufficient. Otherwise, if very simple, if I speak in a very simple way to for a beginner level, so just start to speak. No need to worry about grammar rules.
Hmm.
Just first
Yes.
open mouth to speak. If you
Yes.
feel comfortable in that, then go for other things. But
Yes. So
first
now I'm
thing,
going to end this session. Okay.
yeah, yeah, sure.